Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to make some hamburgers and fries using my COSORI air fryer oven. Okay, I'll be seasoning my burgers with this hickory smoked sea salt and make them taste like they've been on the grill. So I'll be using this forget what you call it, this pan here, and I'll be using this tray for the fries. And I'm cooking both at the same time. And I put the meat at the bottom. Well, I could put it at the top. I don't know if it makes a difference. I'm going to spray the fries. I'm putting this over here. So any residue from the oil will go right in the pan. And I'll be putting it on the thing to bake function. Yeah, I'm putting this at the top. I'll put it in the center. And put the burgers in the at the bottom. Who's gonna fix him a burger in the oven? This is. So I'm gonna put his on here now. Y'all know how he seasons his stuff. Yuck. Yuck. Okay. Seasoned. This is the 93 lean and 7% fat. You know, I'm seasoning all this meat up at one time. Let me wash my hands again. Okay. So we go into the sea salt. I don't want to contaminate it. I'm just going to use a little bit of the sea salt. I bought this several times. I get it from Amazon. And it smells so good. Look at how it looks. Oh wow. It smells good. I'm using this much for all the meat. So a little goes a long way. That's what this looks like. San Francisco Salt Company Hickory Smoked Sea Salt. It's really, really good on hamburgers. I need some black pepper. And a little cayenne, where I might as well put the garlic and the onion powder in here too. No, it's garlic powder, there's no salt in that. Where's the onion? There it is. And where's the red pepper? There's the onion powder, there's no salt in that. Who stole my red pepper? Where is it? That's right, I got spice rack. I never put a Okay, I can't find it right now. And I'm so ready to eat. Just smushing all this seasoning together. And what stands out is that hickory smoked flavor of the salt. Let me put a little more salt on top. I didn't season my fries. I'm going to use my seasoning blend for the fries. Take this out of here. Hold this over the sink and shake. You don't see the seasoning. Put it in the center rack. Putting this in the bottom rack. You'll see what I'm doing. This looks like it gets really messy, but it cleans up quick and easy. For real, for real. So I've used it 2 times already. And I just got it yesterday, y'all. I could have did a better job on the cleaning the glass, but it's quick and easy. Okay. Let's get back over here some. Lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to put it on the, First I'm going to turn it on. No, I'm going to set it to the function. We use the function knob, and I want to bake. Where's the bake? Oh, there it is up there. Okay, it's on the bake mode. I wonder if it'll take 30 minutes at 350. Maybe. I don't want to preheat. I just want it to go. So, and I do want the fan on. Just like an air fryer fan. So I got the fan on high. Cut the light on. So y'all can see. Let me take this off here. That's how it looks inside of there. Fries on top. The meat on the bottom, even though I could have put the meat on the top because it's in this pan and nothing's going to drip on the vegetable. So, I will be back. Okay, I smell the burgers. This is what they look like. Let me put this down. think everything okay. I'm going to take this out first. And you're not supposed to put anything on this glass door. Put this on the stove. Trying to lift it out without putting it on the door. Close this. Ouch. I still wound up touching it. Well, y'all can't see. We're done. I don't want no bloody burger. So we're gonna see how easy or how hard this is to clean. Done. Scared the food with Walters too much because his stuff will fall apart. He got so much stuff in his. It's done, y'all. Let me try a fry. Woo. Woo. They can be a little more crisp, but they're done. Nice and fluffy in the inside. Let me turn this off. Show y'all how to turn it off. Let's turn it off. So, see how the inside of this is. Just a couple splatters on the inside of the door, on the glass. So once it cools, I can just clean that right quick. I'm going to put this pan in the sink. And I'll let y'all know how well it cleans, how easy it is. There's basically nothing on this air fry basket. So I'm gonna fix my burger and I'll be back. Okay, here's my plate. Okay, my burger is good and done. Fries are done. I got white American cheese on the burger and some cut up raw onion and Miracle Whip on both sides of the bread. Yeah. I'm going to taste a piece of the burger that doesn't have anything on it to let you know if I taste the hickory smoked salt. I do, that's why I keep buying it. Burger is done. How long did it take? About 21 minutes at 350 degrees. So, taste a little fry. Semi-crispy, but it's done. Okay, well, thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll put a link to this COSORI air fryer toaster oven in my description box. You can buy it on Amazon, and right now they're offering a $20 off savings. So let's check that box where you say where it says save $20. It's like a coupon on Amazon. Check that box. Okay. You all have a very blessed day. Bye.